So I'm going to give 5 simple ways to boost the value of a course. So the first is you could add a free audit call as a step to the course, either before they buy. So you say, hey, we'll do a call or a form or whatever, and I'll do a free audit of your situation, give you some quick advice, and then you can buy the course. Or once you buy, you get a free audit call before the course, whatever. But adding a sort of free audit, however you define that, is an easy way to boost the value of the course. The second one is sharing your materials from the course. So
Yep.
notes, slides, all these things, which it seems obvious, but again, I was doing these presentations all the time and I don't know, I was like, oh, they have the video. I never thought of it. And then people were like, can I see your notes? Can I have the slides? And I was like, oh yeah, why don't I just give that to people? Like they value that. It's no additional work on my part. And yet I didn't think about it. So sharing your materials. The third way to boost the value of a course, add a follow-up call or a check-in as an upsell or for free. So you say you buy the course and again, I'll throw in a 3-month check-in afterwards where I'll check in with you and see how it's going and if you've made any progress or need any help. Or you could do that as an upsell, right? $750 for the course. For $1,000, I'll add in a 3-month and 6-month check-in call. So
Yeah.
you package it however you want, but that's an easy way to sort of post-course call or check-in can help boost the value. The fourth thing you could do is you could add 6 months of support where they could email you at any time.
Yeah.
6 months, 3 months, whatever you want. Again, in most cases, you would do this anyway. Someone bought from you, they had a question 2 months later, they emailed you, you're going to answer them anyway. So why not message that? They don't know that. It sounds like, oh, because I think one of the fears people have is they take a course and then they're on their own. And what if I don't stick with it? What if I have questions? That can be comforting to them. And for you, it doesn't really add a lot of work because you would do it anyway. And then the fifth simple way to boost the value of your course is to add a discounted rate on future or additional products.
Mm.
So you could do something that is essentially once you become my customer, once you become a buyer, moving forward, either you have additional products you offer or you might in the future, you just say, moving forward, you now get the customer rate, which is a 10% discount on everything I do moving forward. Costs you nothing upfront. You haven't even set the prices of your future products. So if you want, you could just raise the prices of those 10% to make up for the discount for the returning customer rate. And it's just a really easy perk for people to give them additional value. So those 5 things, free audit call, share your materials, add a follow-up call or check-in, add 6 months of support where they can email you or add a discounted rate on future or additional products. Any of those things can help you boost the value of your course.